Well, with me now is Christian Suttner from Starburst. Tell me, what is Starburst?
Well, Starburst is the global leader for helping aerospace corporations in dealing with innovation, to helping them to draw value from it. That it's a whole value chain from sourcing technologies. We run the largest aerospace accelerator globally, and it's essentially also a technology scouting tool for corporations. And we also consult corporates from innovation management to new markets, market entry strategies, product market fit of new developments, where market sizes, where markets go, trends, etc. And we also help them in their business, improving their business digitization, everything from product manufacturing to any business digitalization relevant to aerospace companies.
Okay, so in the aviation sector, how many companies are you mentoring or scouting?
Well, we have a very narrow focus because we only look at startups that are relevant for aerospace companies, and we scouted over 4,000 of those. And then it's a filter down to the individual areas of need and quality and also maturity of the startups. Because obviously for corporates, it's not relevant if somebody just came up with a business plan. The corporate partners we have need demonstrators or at least prototypes that can already be tested. And so we have a specific focus we understand very well what our partners need, and we know what they can use for their business. So this is our sweet spot, filtering the huge amount of startups that are around down to what's actually relevant to our aerospace partners.
And could you give an example of one or two of the startups that you're working with?
Sure. Today we are here at MRO Europe, and of course I'm focusing on MRO relevant startups here. We've scouted over 100 of those that are specifically relevant for the MRO business. I will tell about two success cases. One is 8tree, and they are doing visual inspection. They have automated tools that without any training you can identify and examine dents. For example, they have other tools for other purposes. And another one is flight watching. They're using existing data, even on old aircraft, available data that they can use for real-time monitoring of the aircraft. And actually, there's lots of data available that's not used today. And they have a very, very smart solution to put that into practice.
So what sort of trends in terms of innovation are you seeing with startups now?
Well, the aerospace industry is one of the slower industries to jump on the outside innovation and startup trend. But a lot has happened over the last years. The OEMs have taken the lead, and many tier ones have followed. And MROs are on the, I'd say, more lagging side. Only the leading airlines and the airline MROs are really active. Some of them are really active doing something. Many are watching. But now many of the solutions startups can provide are coming to a maturity state where it really becomes relevant for all of them. A good example is MRO drone inspection of aircraft. That has started in 2015. Only the leaders in the field were working with startups at that time. It's been spread now, and also maturity-wise, these solutions are now in a stage where I would say 2019 and 2020 are the pivotal years where it's going to really mass adoption. And I'd say in 10 years, all these visual inspections will be done by drones.